Hi guys, I hope you're doing well and welcome back to another video. Before we start, I want to say a massive thank you for 184 subscribers and for getting 1,100 views on the last video. So if you are new here, hit the Discord link down below, join there. It's a great Discord. We've only just started it and we're building up the members day by day, so join there if you're new to the channel. So today we're actually going to be showing you how you can create your own meme coin and launch it on Pump.Fun for next to no money. So let's actually dive into the first step. Number one, you need to come up with quite a unique idea. What do you want your meme coin to be about? What images are you going to use? You need to consider all of these factors before you launch your own meme coin. Look at what's trending, understand all of these things, and then once you're ready, start with the second step. So if you want to do this nice and easily, what you can do is you can go into Google, go into images and get whatever it is that you want to be able to post, and you can do so. But I would always recommend thinking of something quite unique, thinking of something quite good, and going onto Fiverr and getting a graphic designer who can make your idea come to life in an image and get them to do it. It'll cost you probably about $20 to get a decent one, so do that. That's a good option. Now, a small tip you could also throw in is when it comes to actually using your graphic designer, go onto an AI focused platform that can make an image that is still move, because then you need to change it into a GIF afterwards, and when you post it on Pump.Fun, you're going to have a moving image rather than a still one. And the reason you do this is because when you post it on Pump.Fun, you're competing against all these other projects that will likely have still images, and if your image is moving, it's going to stand out more and get more clicks, and therefore more investors when they see your website, your Telegram, and all the other things that you have ongoing as well. Step 3, you're going to need a website. So you need to go onto Hostinger, or you can go into Fiverr and get somebody to create a website for you as well. You probably want a lot of images, so again, use your graphic designer to make you 5 or 6 images, and this way you can post them onto your website and then get some good text as well. Create some funny memes, create some good content on the website, like a rhyme or whatever it may be. You want to make sure that you create something positive on your website that people are going to click on and see it and think this is a good meme coin to invest in. In step 4, you want to make a Telegram. So go to Telegram, create a group, and you want to get this group growing before you launch your coin, because the more people that are behind your coin, the better it's going to be when it launches. Create a Twitter. Here you're going to be posting all the updates regarding your meme coin, post your memes, all of these things. Again, we're looking to drive traction to the Twitter. So I'm going to actually show you just now the meme coin that I created. I'm going to show you how you can post it. This is just a test. Obviously, don't use this as an image, don't use this as a go-to, but purely just for a test, I'm going to show you exactly what I done. So as you can see, this is the image that I decided to create. So the way in which I done this was I went onto Fiverr, I contacted a graphic designer, and I asked him to make Darth Vader into a meme, and I called it Dorf. And as you can see, he's got his lightsaber, we've got the Death Star in the background, couple of X-Wings, TIE fighters, and this is a moving image because I've used AI in order to do so. So this is an example of an image that you could create. So again, then what I did was I created a Twitter and I updated it with the bio being this, and I posted that Darth Vader was live, and I created a few other memes as well. So this is the Twitter for the meme coin, and we'll post that on Pump.Fun. And then again, what I done was I created a website. As you can see, we updated it with some information here on Dorf, how you can buy it, the about section, so here's how you buy it, the tokenomics as well, and then the roadmap as well, what I plan to do with the coin. So this is exactly what I created here. So once you have the website, the Telegram, and the Twitter ready, and your images are good to go into Pump.Fun, connect your wallet, and then go to start a new coin. And then I'll cut to the part where I've filled in all this information for you to see it already. So as you can see, I've filled in all the information. I named it, for the purpose of this video, Darth Vader test do not buy, so other people know not to buy it, because I'm just doing this as a test. Ticker, I'm going to change that to Dorf, because that would be the ticker symbol for the token. Description, I've filled that in. Image, we're going to choose a quick image here, so if we go down, we can insert this one here, and that is the GIF that we've created. So you need to change your image into a GIF. Before you do that, you change your image into moving, so go into AI and find a converter, which is going to make your image go from still to moving, and then change that into a GIF so you can upload it onto Pump.Fun, because previously it would have been a video. And then you go into your Twitter, you paste the link, you go into your website, you paste the link, and create the coin. So then I'm just going to buy essentially at the start 1.5 soul worth of Dorf, and this, as you can see, it's going to give me 500, not like 5 million Dorf or whatever that is, I'm not sure. But then click create coin, and then once you've created it, it'll come up with create coin called Darth Vader test do not buy. And then what you do is you go to Pump.Fun in the top left, you go to creation time, and there you go, there's Darth Vader there. As you can see, the image is moving, and you can see who's created it, the market cap for the coin, and we click on this and we go onto it. We can see thread, as in what's happened happened here, so you can post a reply saying welcome to the dark side or the Dorf side, whatever you want. So as you can see, if you go into Dorf, you can actually see there's people buying the coin right now. But you can see here, this is me that bought it for 1.5 SOL, and this has gave me 51.10 million in Dorf. And if you wanted to sell it, you can click sell 100%. So essentially the way this is going to work on Pump.Fun, so bonding curve progress 7%. When enough people buy the coin and the market cap reaches 62,567, the coin's liquidity will essentially be burned, and it will then create a radium token, and this will then launch on DEX screener, and then you would need to update your DEX screener with information for Dorf Raider, and that would put it to a larger audience. King of the Hill progress, so essentially when you get to 30,000 market cap, if you were to go back on Pump.Fun, you would see up the top here it will say King of the Hill. So this will be the first one, the one that everybody will see when they actually go on to Pump.Fun. So that is look at that one there, big dick trim. So that is a little bit of information regarding the Pump.Fun, how you work it, how you create your own meme coin. Obviously use this information as you will, rather. Obviously do check the regulations within your country for how you can launch meme coins and if it's legal to do so. Always make sure you do all checks, don't put yourself in any position to get screwed financially by governments or whatever. So that's going to be it for this video though, guys. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stick around for more content. Like I said at the start, join the Discord if you're new here, and I'll see you